guys, Kimberly Thomas in here. Hey Sarah. Sarah decided to sit on my lap today. I'm sure she'll get up before the end of this. But one of the biggest questions I get here at VacMD, there she goes. Bye Sarah. One of the biggest questions I get is, do you carry Dyson cordless? And the answer is no. Several reasons for that. Number one, they are so out there. You can get them online, big box stores. There's just not a way for us to be competitive, and most people go there in order to purchase them. Now, however, I am a Dyson warranty center, but since Dyson came out with their cordless, there have been so many other brands that have come out with cordless vacuums as well that have met the quality or surpassed the quality of Dyson and the performance of Dyson as well. So you have more options now than you used to. The important part is what happens when that inexpensive vacuum breaks, cordless breaks. Who services it for you? Do you have a place where you can take it to? With that said as well, I am going to show you a couple different models that I like. We actually have 9 different cordless vacuums here. Did you know that? 9. They range anywhere from $150 all the way up to $8.99. So they can get up there just like the Dyson price point. They all have their benefits and features. So I will show you a couple. Here we go, guys. All right, guys, the first vacuum cordless vacuum I'm going to show you that we carry is called the Simplicity A-Go-Go. The Simplicity A-Go-Go is, we're gonna start from the least expensive and go up. Simplicity A-Go-Go is $150. It is fantastic because it's not like your normal stick vac where the bulk is in the top where you're holding onto it. So if you have, oopsies, lots of wide open spaces or a large area to do, the bulk of the weight isn't in your handle while you're vacuuming, so that's really nice. Also, although it is bulky at the bottom, so that would make you believe that maybe I can't get it underneath furniture. You're right, you can't. But it does have a wand that comes off so you can get underneath your furniture. And this wand also comes off at the handle, so you can also add the tools to it and do crevices and areas by hand as well. This vacuum, being at such a great price point, is excellent for students, great for a supplemental vacuum, great for kids learning how to vacuum. It doesn't have a cord, you don't have to worry about running over a cord, although it does have a brush roll. So be careful because little fingers can get in there. As you see, the brush roll is super soft. That is a good and bad thing. It's good on carpet. It's okay on carpet, but you're talking, these aren't meant to be your only main vacuum. These are meant for supplemental, so it'll get surface dirt off of carpet. Excellent on hard floors. Most of the units that I'm going to show you cordless will be bagless. You know my opinion on bagless, however, being again that it's not your main, it shouldn't be your main vacuum cleaner unless you're a student or something like that. It's okay to have one little tiny bagless in your house. It does have free. One of my favorite parts is it's a free range vacuum. So if you like free range vacuums, there is a dial here that switches you from the tools to the floor. So this is the Simplicity A-Go-Go. You can purchase this on our website or here in the store. All right, the next cordless model that I have for you here is by RediVac. RediVac is neat because we've carried this RediVac for a couple years now. Again, it's not meant to be your only vacuum, and if it is your only vacuum, you have to maintain it because when you have a bagless vacuum, you have filters to maintain. So it's a little more maintenance when it becomes your only vacuum, and it may, honestly, any of these may not last as long in your home if you're using it as the only way of vacuuming your home. So just be mindful of that. It's okay if you use it as your only one, but remember they have warranties, and don't think that this is going to last you 5-6 years if it's your only vacuum. Warranty on this one is 1 year as well. It is a dirt cup that's very easy to empty. There is a filter inside that dirt cup, and that filter you can clean off as often as possible. The more often you clean it, the better. It's nice because it becomes a hand vac. Three settings: low, medium, high, and then it also becomes your stick vac. So like I was saying on the Simplicity, the main bulk of your unit on the RediVac, the Simplicity didn't have that, but the RediVac has the main bulk right up here. You have a slightly more aggressive brush roll than your Simplicity had, great for carpet and hard floors as well. And you can also take this apart down here, which gives you an extra extension wand. So this one's also $150. And that is called the RediVac Eaze. Next, we're back to Simplicity, okay? So Simplicity makes this S60 cordless stick vac. Remember what I've taught you? Most of the bulk is in the front, but what's nice is this does become a hand vacuum. It comes with lots of accessories. I have them over there, but it comes with crevice tool, an angle brush. It comes with a dock that you dock it in to charge it, or you can just plug it into the back here and charge it that way. One of the nice things about all of these vacuums, or cordlesses that I have showed you, is you don't have to hold the trigger. Dysons, you have to hold the trigger. This, ta-da, not holding the trigger, has two settings, low and high. It has, I like that the battery is removable in this one. If you wanted a second battery, you could get one. Although all of these units are going to give you anywhere between 20 and 60 minutes. It depends on which setting you're using. But I have found that all of them are completely sufficient for doing an entire home. You might seem like you're vacuuming for 20 minutes, but you're not vacuuming with the vacuum on consistently for 20 minutes. You're rearranging things and turning it off and then continuing. The Simplicity comes with this head for your carpet. It also can detach from here and give you that extra long wand reach as well. I like the Simplicity better than the Dyson in the aspect where it is so much easier to clean out. So many Dyson customers have so much trouble cleaning their Dysons because their cyclone assembly, which is part of their design for suction, hides and gathers dirt and clogs up and loses suction over time. This also has a filter. Again, you have to clean off filters on bagless vacuums much more often. Most manufacturers won't tell you that. So it comes with a tool. It's electric tool for your couches, pet hair on couches. It has a cute little paw print. I love that it comes with this tool, a soft brush roll. Soft brush rolls are amazing on hard surfaces. The brush roll that I have on it is better for carpet because it has a more aggressive bristle, but when you're talking little things on hard surfaces, it sometimes throws those things. These soft brush rolls are amazing for your hard surface. This is the dock that it charges in, and these are all the tools I told you it comes with. And the price on this one is $2.99. You can purchase it on our website. You can purchase it in the store. I wanted to show you how this goes in its dock. It docks away here, and you can plug the charger into the dock, or like I said, you can plug the charger into the unit itself. And I also like that on the back of this dock, you can take one of your floor tools and your wand, put it together, right? And dock that behind here too for storage. And it stands up all like that, which is pretty neat. I'll show you guys. See how that stands? It's like its own little stand. Simplicity, S65, $2.99. All right, what I have here is Regina. Regina just came out with a new vacuum. Regina was a company years ago, and they are being revived and better than ever. So they also got in on the stick vacuum category. But what's nice again about Regina, all the bulk is in the bottom, but they're still pretty low profile to get all the way underneath furniture and things like that. It is bagless. It has a great 2-year warranty. So now we've gone up in warranty. We've gone from 1 year to 2 years. Now, also remember Dyson is 2 years. If you're trying to compare against a Dyson. So this one is $2.99. Normally it retails for $3.99 everywhere else, but we sell it in the store and for $2.99. I have many customers who just can't handle all that weight in the handle, so they go with a Regina. There are 10 cordless options here at our store at VacMD. High Zero is special. It is called a bionic mop. So it has a roller on the bottom that laps up water like a dog's tongue. This unit can clean only your hard surfaces. It is not meant for carpet, it's not meant for area rugs. It's really only going to wash and vacuum, or wash and sweep your hard surfaces. So the roller laps up any liquids. You can pick up liquids and solids at the same time. It laps up liquids and solids and distributes them. There's a dry bin, and then there's the dirty water reservoir that the dirty water goes into. And then you have your clean water, and your clean water tank, although it's small, lasts for 50 minutes of use. So it's gonna last you a while. And this is just great if you have a lot of hard surfaces and you don't want to vacuum first, then mop. This will do it all for you, all in one. It has a 1-year warranty as well at the $4.99 price points on our cordless vacuums. This is again called High Zero. We sell many of these a month, and they're fantastic. Customers seem to really like them. But again, hard surfaces only, not for those of you that have carpet. Now we're to one of my favorites. This is the Miele, brand new Miele 3-in-1. They call it a TriFlex, and TriFlex represents their 3-in-1 design. So as I've been telling you, most of the bulk right now for this Miele is in the bottom, which is great when you're doing lots of hard floors or lots of open floors. You can use this on carpet as well. It has 3 settings: low, medium, high. It is great because you can actually take this Miele apart and change the positioning. So let's say you do have to get underneath your furniture and you want to make it a little more low profile. Then all you have to do is change this up. So you have a wand, a handle, the motor area, and then your head. So I'm going to change this up. I'm going to put the wand on the head. Then I'm going to put the motor up here at the top. And you of course need something to hold on to. So you have your handle. See how that works? And now it's a stick vac where the weight is at the top, so you could get under your couch very easily, and furniture, the lower profile furniture. Typically 90% of the time you'll use it with it at the bottom. Oh, and then the third way is as your hand vacuum. It comes with tools and accessories, a crevice tool, dusting brush, and an upholstery tool, so you can do above the floor cleanings, your couches, things like that. But like I was saying, 90% of the time you'll use it the way I had it, which is with the weight at the bottom, like this. And then I want to take the handle off. You can see how easy this is to change back and forth. What I like about this positioning also is that the unit will stand up on its own. Dysons do not stand up on their own. So this is nice. Now we're getting in, like I said, we're getting into the Dyson price point on this unit. Miele's start at $4.99. This one that I have here is $5.99. It is a Miele Home Care TriFlex. What's beneficial about the home care, it's only sold in stores. You can't purchase it online, and it comes with a longer warranty. Now, warranties are important with cordless vacuums because you have a battery. And what the warranty is telling you is this is how long we guarantee your battery is going to last. So this is 3 years on this particular home care unit. And this home care unit, like I said, is $5.99. Miele makes a cat dog unit for $6.99, which we also stock in the store. It has a 2-year warranty, but remember, they're warrantying one of their units for 3 years. So I truly believe Miele knows that their batteries are going to last you. Miele has a filter inside. It's also very easy to empty it and change and clean out the filter. Still bagless, still needs to be maintained, but very easy to do so. And then there's a top model. It's the Miele TriFlex Pro. That's $7.99. It comes with 2 batteries, which is amazing. These batteries will last you up to 60 minutes per charge. So having 2 batteries, you get 120 minutes of use. Again, way more than you should ever be needing to vacuum, even with a corded vacuum, but plenty of time. They come with a dock. All of them will come with a dock, so you can dock it on the wall and charge it, or again, you can plug it directly into the unit and charge it. I would say this is the best for the money, for the features. The TriFlex is the best stick vac out there on the market right now.